The Active Object menu. Depending on the type of object you have selected, you may or may not see the Active Object menu. If I select a normal Blender mesh, the menu disappears. If I select a point cloud object that has the point edit modifier from the add-on, you will see the active point cloud. From here, I can control the scale of the points. I can view or hide the actual modifiers on the point cloud. I can apply or remove modifiers. And if any effects are lagging, I can try and refresh the modifier's effects. If I have a 3D GS object selected, I will see a number of options. I can enable or disable updates for this object, or I can show the object as a point cloud. While working, animating cameras, and transforming 3D GS objects, it's advised to use show as a point cloud for performance considerations. Once you want to render, it's best to enable camera updates. For the best workflow when updating faces, you should have a camera in your scene. And with your 3D GS object selected, toggle Use Active Camera. When this is enabled, all faces will automatically point towards the active camera's direction. If I hit this lock icon in the 3D viewport, I can lock my view to the active camera. Now, when I navigate in the viewport, the faces will update automatically with my movements. However, for large scenes, you should absolutely make sure that in the modifiers menu, you have camera culling enabled. If camera culling is disabled, I'll be trying to update millions of faces at once. With it enabled, I'll update only those faces seen through the camera view. If you're working with a focused single object scan, enabling camera view and locking the view to the camera can enable a much more performant workflow. Under here we have bake buttons, which we'll cover in their own dedicated sections. Under this, we have the Apply Modifiers button. Whichever 3D GS modifiers are currently applied to the active object will show on this menu. If I add some more modifiers, we'll see that they are also populating the Apply Modifiers menu. Whichever modifiers are checked will be applied.